Welcome to training module. My name is Marek Link, and as a rector of Estonian Academy of Security Sciences, I truly appreciate that you spent time to learn about the assessment of innovations in crisis management. I really hope that you will gain some new insights and ideas how to use the trial guidance methodology and its supportive tools. And I hope that this training course will bring you new insights and ideas how to use it further. After all, learning is the best investment.
My name is Kaisa Kägu, and I will coach you through this training model. The training model was created within the Trial Plus project with several experts who did different trials. The training model consists of an e-learning and a contact phase. With the e-learning, you will get different assignments, quizzes, e-lectures, and with the contact phase, you will get to deepen your knowledge about different topics with instructors like Stephen van Kampen, who is standing next to me.
Hello from my side as well. It's lovely to meet you at this training. The previous video already showed you what this training course is about. It's all about a trial and how to organize one according to the trial guidance methodology. When you have finished this course, you are able to successfully organize your own trial. So if you haven't seen this first introduction video yet, please have a look at it. If you have seen it, let's start this training module together.
So you now have a vague idea about what a trial is and of the existence of the trial guidance methodology. This methodology and its supportive tools and methods are all described in the TGM handbook. There is also a trial guidance tool, or short TGT, which is a website that helps you to follow the steps of the methodology. You can find the direct link to this TGM handbook and the TGT next to this video.
This training module teaches and trains you how to best follow the steps of the trial guidance methodology. And this training provides practical advice in how to use the supportive methods and tools best. Where possible, we'll use practical examples based on trials that were previously executed. As example, we also offer you a fictive user story of a crisis management professional who sets up her own trial together with the help of a few of her colleagues. You will find short videos of this user story in all parts of this training module, but you can also download this story as a booklet for you to read.
The first session you are watching now is applicable for anyone interested in following the training model. After completing it, you understand the structure of this training model, that you are not alone in following this course and neither in organizing a trial. So we will explain how to get in touch with other learners, fellow organizers, and the instructors. Furthermore, a tutorial is provided about how to use the functionality of the e-learning part of this course. This training model uses a blended approach. This means that first you will go through the e-learning phase, followed by attending a face-to-face contact phase. This contact phase is tailored to the learning needs of the attendees. For instance, for a group of crisis managers who will lead the organization of their own trial, this course will focus on all phases. For a group of technicians, the contact phase will be focused only on the practical technical aspects.
The e-learning of this course is cut up in 6 sessions, each with a couple of their own sub-sessions. By watching this video, you have already commenced with session 1, the introduction to the training module. Sessions 2, 3 and 4 are aimed at the 3 core phases of the methodology, namely how to prepare a trial, how to execute it, and most importantly, how to evaluate it. Then Sessions 5 and 6 will discuss the supportive tools and networks which are available to you in all three phases. If a term or abbreviation is mentioned and you don't recall that one anymore, have a look at the glossary provided in the last session 6.3.
The contact phase will be tailored to your training needs. There are 5 workshops available, all focused on the most important steps of the methodology and on where doing these steps is probably not your day-to-day work.
As already mentioned, organizing a trial concerns multiple aspects. You have to write a scenario or a fictive crisis. You need to think on how to evaluate your trial, which data you need for what, and finally analyze this data and draw well-founded conclusions of it. Also, you need to arrange practical matters such as organizing and logistics and catering. As organizer, you need to wear multiple hats. Therefore, it is almost impossible to organize and execute a trial alone. Colleagues, fellow crisis responders, technicians, and maybe even external experts can help you with this. A team organizing a trial should contain multiple persons being responsible for 4 core areas. First, there is the trial owner, the person who leads the team. Another person should mainly focus on evaluation, as this is the most important aspect of a trial and deserves the attention of a dedicated evaluation coordinator. Then someone should take care of the participants and the crisis management realism. This practitioner coordinator is usually someone with hands-on experience in crisis management. And for all technical and logical work, you should have someone in the role of technical coordinator. This does not mean your organizational committee must have exactly 4 members. For a small trial, you and 1 colleague could fill all 4 roles. In a larger trial, you might want to distribute these roles and responsibilities amongst a team of 6 or more persons. Session 2.3 will explain these core roles, their responsibilities, and the co-creative teamwork in more detail. This training model is not only here for you, but for all those involved in making a trial happen. Session 2 will explain the detail all the roles within organizing committees. To support all these roles, this training model targets 4 main groups. First of all, the core organizers of a trial. Second, other crisis management practitioners involved as experts on specific procedures or involved as participants during a trial. Third, the solution providers whose solutions are assessed. And last but not least, technicians and solution developers making it possible to run a trial on a technical and practical level.
Dependent on your role in the trial, some of the training sessions are of specific interest for you. For instance, if you will be responsible for oral evaluation aspects, session 4 is very important for you. As a technician or software developer, session 5.2 should have your main interests. Next to this video, you will find a printable overview of all subsessions. This table provides an overview for which target group each subsession is intended. Please use this overview to see which sessions are advised for you and schedule your training activities accordingly. Be sure to at least visit those sessions marked for your target group. And you are of course free and even encouraged to follow the other sessions as well. You are responsible for scheduling your own training activities. To help you with this, we have added an approximate duration for each subsession, ranging from following only the basic part up to following all advanced parts as well.
So, how to get in touch with others?
This training module provides a forum functionality. How to use it is explained in the upcoming tutorial video. And of course, you can meet your fellow learners and instructors during the contact phase.
If you require specific help with operating this training model, please send in your question using this email address.
Most importantly is the support that can be offered via other organizations who have organized a trial before, and from so-called centers of expertise. Session 6.1 provides you with a detailed list of these organizations and communities.
You have now reached the end of the first session. I hope we were clear about what is the training model contains and how you get the map of your own learning strategy. The following session 2.1 is the start of the real training. Let's see each other back there. Good luck with this course and thank you for your interest.